Hey, what's up, YouTube? Yes, it's another weekend. You know, with every weekend comes a brand new tutorial on the frankcnero channel. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you're missing a lot. Kindly hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon beside it so as to get notified whenever a brand new video is posted on the channel. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, in today's tutorial I'll be taking you on the morphing effect. Now, the morphing effect happens to be kind of like a video transition which involves approximately 5 pictures. Maximum 5 pictures, minimum 2 pictures. The morphing effect looks exactly like this. Wasn't that lovely? Now, in order for you to achieve the morphing effect on your video or your clip, now you'll be needing 2 different applications, which you can get them for sure on the Google Play Store. The first app happens to be TikTok. Yeah, everybody knows TikTok, social media app and all that. TikTok, very essential. Now, the second app happens to be an app called Viamaker. Viamaker. You can get both apps on the Google Play Store, and please don't download the light mode, just get the full application. Now we head on to TikTok. Once the app is open, you disregard the very first video. Now you see the plus button down below. Yeah, the plus button down there. You click on the plus button. Okay, your camera pops up. On the right here you see template. You swipe over to templates. The very first happens to be Comic Me. Now this is not what we'll be using. You swipe to the next one, Glow Up. Now Glow Up is what we'll be using for this tutorial. You hit the select photos, it takes you to your gallery. Now once you get into your gallery, you select approximately 5 pictures, like I told you. 5 pictures, minimum of 2. So I will go for this, this, and this. Then once you're done, you click on OK down below on the right. It's processing. You let it process. Alright, once it's done, I think it will look somehow like this. You click on the next button. Now on the next button, this is where the video is being posted on the TikTok, but we don't want the video to be posted, probably due to maybe it's a personal photo or whatever reasons you may have. And all we got to do is to come down here to who can view this video. It's already in public mode, so what we got to do is to click on the public, then change it from public to private. Yes, it's on private mode right now. Then all you just got to do is to hit on the post. It's on the top left now, processing 100. Good, uploaded. Now that's exactly how to create the morphing effect stage 1. Alright guys, with the video already saved in our gallery, we'll move to stage 2, which happens to be on the Viamaker app. Now all we got to do is click on the Viamaker. You click on the new project above. It pops up your gallery. You select the particular video which was saved from TikTok. This is it here. Then you click on add below. it automatically puts it up on the timeline. You can play and check out. Okay, now to take out that sound effect and put probably a very good sound effect, probably maybe like a happy birthday sound effect, first and foremost what we need to do is to click on mute mask clip from audio. Somewhere here you click on it, so automatically the video sound is off completely. Now what we need to do is to add audio sound. Add audio sound here. You click on it, you click on sounds here, sound, you go to your sounds, you click on from device. Now you scroll to a preferred sound of your choice. I prefer the happy birthday sound effect, probably because it's her birthday and we need to celebrate. I need to create such a video clip to celebrate her birthday. Now let's see, happy birthday. All right, here it is. Good to serve. Automatically the audio is being spread across the entire timeline. If you watch, the audio is more than the video clip. So for you to create a loop effect on this where it matches up the audio clip, all we got to do is to click on the video above here. You click on the video, on the options down below you scroll till you see copy. Yes, copy. We've created a copy of it now. Now that copy now is still the same clip, but the copy has been created and has extended the time from 10 seconds to about 20 seconds. Now we need about 30 seconds now to at least give us a full length of the video. In order to make this video 30 seconds precisely, you see the vertical line, this white vertical line over here, the white vertical running from top to bottom. Now we need to match it up to 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here. After matching it up to 30 seconds, you click on the audio file on the timeline, you click on it. Now you see the split button here, down below here, the split button. You click on the split, it splits the audio in two places. Now we won't be needing the audio on the right, so just click on the audio on the right here, then we'll say delete. Delete is gone. So we have exactly 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's check it out. Perfect. Now we can end it with probably a message like happy birthday dear, or whatever thing of our choice. Now let's see. Okay, let's go back here. We hit on the text, we click on the plus. Okay, now we type out happy birthday dear sister. Okay, now we'll choose a particular font or whatever effect to choose, something unique. Let's see, let's go with something glowy. I love this, this is cool. Okay, then on the animation we'll just say fading, then we click the OK button here. Okay, now on the text bar we click on it, we hold it down, we'll drag to somewhere here on the left so it will match. So automatically once it's about finishing, it comes up like this with the happy birthday sister, and it goes black and comes out unique. All right, let's see how it goes. Let's preview the video. We can click on somewhere up here, there's an expand button. Let's see, then play. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, in order to round up everything you've done so far, you need to export the video, and you do that by clicking this arrow at the top right here. And voila, you start exporting your video down to your gallery. Well, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I appreciate. Do leave a like, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me get to know what exactly you would love for me to do in my next video, and also any question at all of your choice. Thank you very much. God bless. One love.